Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you're all doing well today. I am just coming on to give you an update on some Newhomy projects. I've been working on this Paris image. This is a 40 by 50 square drill of the Eiffel Tower. It is looking beautiful. The drill quality is awesome. Canvas stickiness is good. There's no issues, no sliding drills. I do have it kitted up in this box here. There's actually two two paintings. So on this side I have one painting, and you can see I've numbered them all with black numbers, and then on this side I have purple, and these are the ones that I'm doing the Paris. So the drills have been great. Now I did run out of one color. I have this small section, if you guys can see right there, be able to hold it here. So in here there's the H symbol. I have run out of these drills, so we have about 10, 15, 20, maybe 35 drills that are missing. So I do have to check my stash because I do have spare drills. So it's really not that big of a deal. Plus, it is the clouds. So if I wanted to, I could just fill it in with one of the other purple colors that are in there. Not a big deal. But so far, it is looking beautiful. So cool. It's working up nice, fast, and easy. That's how far I've gotten on it. And the next thing I was going to share with you guys is I'm going to start the first step of my paint by numbers. So this is the paint by number kit that I purchased from Newhomy, or was sent to me by Newhomy. And what I want to do first is cover the image with gesso. And it's clear gesso that I'm using because it's a printed image. The canvas is already gessoed. You can see it's canvas fabric on this side, and it has like a plasticky film. This is actually gesso. So it is already pre-gessoed, but I've watched a couple of videos on paint by numbers, and they do suggest that you do this. And basically it's just another coat of gesso to keep the paint from soaking into the canvas, and also will help you cover up the black lines a little bit better than them soaking through. So I have this Dina Wakley clear gesso that I purchased from Michael's a while ago, and I have a wide brush. So the first thing I'm going to do is do a nice coat of clear gesso and let it dry, and then probably next weekend I will start to do some painting on it. So this one is nice because it has a nice border around the edge. I have two paint by numbers. So the first paint by numbers I purchased was from Michael's, and that one pretty much went right up to the edge. Madison completed that one already. It was the Mona Lisa. And the other one, can't remember the company, but I have unboxed it on this channel. I have not started it yet, and I can't remember if there was a border, but this makes it good for framing and for hanging on to. So I don't want to do a thick layer, but I do want to make sure that everything is covered. And it's nice and easy to tell because you can see I can see the glare from the light. I don't know about you guys, but I haven't done much diamond painting this week. Been busy with work, so and it's been really nice outside this week, so I was able to do some walking, start to get back outside and get some exercise after being stuck in for this wonderful winter. can't, well, I want to admit that this project scares me. Especially all these little tiny spaces. This part looks great, and maybe this is where I will start, is up in this top corner where there's some large sections of one color of paint, just because that is not as intimidating to me as all of these little tiny sections. But we will see. It's interesting. Just have a bit of a section in here. Make sure I don't have any major brush strokes going on. Alright. I think that looks good. So I have one single layer of clear gesso, and I'm going to leave that to dry, clean off my brush, and then hopefully the next video I will be able to share with you guys some actual painting on it, so you can see how the process is with it. All right, so that is my quick update for my projects from Newhomy. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.